So we are gonna do a change up to this sweatshirt, and the first thing I always do is cut the collar to make it a little wider. So there's other videos on how to do that, and I'm just gonna do it quickly here. This still has the tag on it, which I wanted to leave on because I got this sweater secondhand for $3.50 or something. And I always want to encourage people to buy secondhand clothes because you can get great quality, and there's just so many clothes already made. You don't need to buy new clothes. Fabric keeps its value long after it's been worn a couple times, so it's something that you can really recycle really easily. It's really good for the environment to do that. And sweatshirts and cotton stuff like this is so great to use because it doesn't fray when you cut it. So for me, you often get much better value with something secondhand. So I just quickly cut the collar off, and it looks like it came out kind of V-neck, which is cool. So I'm probably gonna leave that, or I could make it into more of a rounded neck when I sew the collar down like that. So the next thing that I'll do is flip the collar over and sew it down like that. And that will be the next video. Thanks for watching.